Hey everybody, it's been a while, so we're going to get into this smokable. I have a new one that I have on my line for sale, and it is called Smurfeel. So I'm going to show you how I formulate Smurfeel, but the last time we did smokables, I was telling you all how I got my mugwort to be fluffy. I didn't show you how I did it, but I'm going to show you how I did it. So right here we have mugwort. And I have my coffee grinder right here, and I'm just going to add a little bit just to show you. If you want to make your herbs more fluffy, instead of having it kind of like this, which is thick and just not, just needs to be grind up a little more. So I'm going to show you really quick how I do that. I know that's kind of irritating. Also with the dryer going as well. So y'all please forgive me for that. And really quick, I'm going to show you what it looks like right now. And see, there you have it. Just something so simple like a coffee grinder. If you want your smokables to be fluffy, okay? And I prefer mine fluffy, so we're going to just dump this in here like this. So this is what it looked like before, okay? And this is what it looked like after we ran it through the coffee grinder. Now, you don't even have to do it as long, but you can do it however long as you want it. Now, this is chamomile, so we're going to go ahead and add some chamomile, just a little bit in here. Then we're going to grind it up. Now, I don't want it to be too grind up. That's actually a little bit too fine. I don't want it that fine, but this is what it'll look like. This is what it looks like now, and this is what it looked like before. Now let's do some kelp Dagga. Okay, just a little bit of that. Okay, here we go. Okay, I think that's going to be good. Like I said, I don't want it too fine. I just wanted a little bit. As you can see, there's not much difference there. But, okay, so now we've got Damiana, and we're going to add this. Now, let's talk a little bit while I'm doing this about the base, the supportive role, and the flavoring. Okay, yeah, perfect. This is what I wanted. I wanted it a little bit finer than what I have right here. This is what it looks like before, and this is what it looks like after. So I'm just going to dump that in there. And we're going to move over to the Blue Lotus. Okay? Y'all know I love me some Blue Lotus. Oh. All right. Yeah, like I said, I would prefer the kelp Dagga than a little more, but just give me a little more substance, that's all. Let's see, a little bit more. Okay, not too much, because I want to be able to get it. And that's what it looks like, the Blue Lotus. And then you just mix it all up. But remember, when you're doing your smokables, you want to have a base, you want to have a supportive herb, and you also want to have a flavoring herb. So for my base, what I decided to go with is my Damiana, is my base, which is this right here. For my supportive herb, I decided to use chamomile, which is good for the nervous system. It's really good for anxiety. It's calming. It's just really good. And mugwort also is a good base herb for you to have. It's it's stable. It's just all around just a wonderful herb, and it's relaxing, just like chamomile. You can also use skullcap. You can also use, there's so many other herbs that you can use other than these. You've got marshmallow, you got horehound, mullein, skullcap, passionflower, mugwort, but mugwort, skullcap, passionflower, and hops and catnip and rose and damiana all have a wonderful effect on the nervous system. Has a wonderful calming effect. So if you're looking for calm and serene, those are the herbs that you want to go with for your. Now, if you're looking for something that has to do with health and lungs and stuff like that, horehound, mullein, thyme, marshmallow, all those will be great for you to use if you're looking for something for that type of role in health. Now, what I'm going to do is, like I said, you can see how fluffy this is. Look at how fluffy that is. Look at how fluffy that is. Now, I wasn't happy with how the Dagga did earlier, so I'm going to run it through again. Okay? Now, I want to show you how fluffy this can actually get. And you're going to see, I mean, it looks exactly like the mugwort did. Okay, I'm gonna go a little more. I'm making it a little more finer than this. And I noticed something about, look at that. When you do it and it gets fluffy like that, it's so much easier to pick it up when you get ready to roll. You see how fluffy this is? And when you're dealing with seeds and something like skullcap, as fine as it is, and passion flower and yarrow, you might want it to be fluffy like this. I find that when it's fluffy like this, you can get it in that paper even better. Look at that. And it picks up everything. Like I'm digging at the bottom of the bowl. And you can see where you get everything because of the fluffiness. It sticks to it. So I just wanted to share this with you all. And also, if you're really looking to spice things up, I had someone leave a comment and they suggested peppermint. So thank you for that suggestion, and I am going to try that, and I will let you all know how peppermint flavors the smokable. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It's fluffy. It will probably, I would say, make it easier to roll. I mean, you know, it's just up to you, but you don't even have to do it this fine. So I wanted to share this with you all. If you like, please hit the button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.